Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh my gosh. We've made it to Mississippi and we're about to go pick up our dog. Oh, this is weird. This is so weird.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, look at him. Oh, look, she's sitting on the field. Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's telling him bye. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh, she has an LSU bandana on. That's how you know it's meant to be. Holy cow.
To get in the LSU banner. Okay,
no.
How come? Tanner told me already.
You got a friend in me.
Y'all are twins.
You got a friend in me.
I know.
When the road gets rough ahead,
Bro, he
where
doesn't know what
miles
being loved
and
feels
miles
like.
from a nice warm bed. You just remember what your old pal said, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Oh, he's like, what the heck? Oh.
He's like, oh my god.
He does not know how to act. Oh god. Oh. Hi. Mia. Come here, look. Oh. Oh, he's so happy. So I think hanging out with these other dogs is what he needed. I don't think he's ever been around other dogs. But he's thriving. Happy birthday! Look! You're five.
Cannot believe it.
You're 5? Sailor, how old are you now? 6. How are the puppies? Oh, how are the puppies? How are the puppies? Oh. We just had some lunch on the deck and we're trying to brush Red right now. He hasn't been brushed before, I don't think. He's very matted, so we're trying to brush him before we get in the car. Got him a little tired for the car ride. Okay guys, so it is currently 1:39. It's 2:39 at home and we are trying to get Red in the car because we are about to say hi. That's my little cousin Sailor, but we are about to put Red in the car and head home. Okay, so, oh my god, it's late, Mom! Where did you go?
We're going to buy a harness like ASAP, like probably right now.
We need a freaking harness.
Hello, you got out.
You can't run like that when you yeet out of your collar.
It's embarrassing.
So day 1 and he slipped out of his collar and her seat's right there. So hi baby. Time to go home. Red, you're home. Come on, let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got it. You can do it. Come on. Oh, he hates stairs. Red, you're gonna have to come up here when you snuggle with me tonight. Come on, Red, come on. Yay!
Hey, Red.
Come on. Oh. It's a process. He's hi! So we tried to take him upstairs and he tripped a couple times.
Wait, let's go upstairs.
So, and the rival starts. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. Come on, upstairs, come on. You can do it, come on. Come on, come on.
You got it.
Yeah, he's like, nah. Good boy! Look at yourself, come here. Look, look. Oh, aren't you pretty? Come here, look. Look. Oh, 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 oh. Do you see yourself? Do you see yourself? Hey, hello. Hi, you're so sweet. So, hi guys. I guess this is the end of this video. I got a dog. And I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about him before I upload this. There's still so much I'm sure like I have to learn about him. I'm gonna be 20 in December and I've like never had a dog, but finally I got a dog. So he is a red golden retriever. He is purebred, which means he's like 100% retriever. Yeah, I don't know a lot about dogs, but I'm working on it. But he's a red golden retriever and his name is Red. And you know that, don't you? Yeah. We spell it R-E-D-D, and we're actually his third owner, his third home, but we are his permanent home. So that's exciting, right? He's a year old. His birthday is April 29th, the same as my dad's, and so he just turned 1, and he is so sweet. So he was very shy when we first got him today. He was like super shy, super like, not like a normal like golden retriever. I feel like whenever I've met a golden retriever before, like they're always like super friendly, super excited, and he was like super nervous and anxious. What is it? Are you scratching? Hey, hello. Hi. Hi. We're about to cuddle tonight. Oh, are you trying to bite me now? Okay, I pet you. Okay, I'm thinking what else? His first home, I don't know like all the details, but I know that she's a college student and I think she was like a nursing major, but basically she just did not have time for him. And I was told that he was like left alone a lot, and you know, if you guys know a lot about golden retrievers, they're like not supposed to be left alone. Like they're super friendly, super outgoing, and always need affection and attention. And hey. So I guess like as a puppy, he like grew up and like didn't have a lot of attention, was alone a lot, and like that's, I guess he just didn't know how to act around people. So then he went to his second owner, and great family, 2 really nice people I actually met today. They have a 2-year-old and they're moving, but they just aren't gonna have time for him anymore. And so we're like, oh my gosh, like we'll take him. You know, I mean, I've been begging, my sisters and I have been begging for a dog for like as long as I can remember, since we were kids. And honestly, I think it was just like a sign from God that it's like meant to be.
Puppy gonna be famous.
Puppy gonna be famous. Yeah, I have a freaking dog now. Hello. Go follow his Instagram because I already know I'm gonna make one. But that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog of me getting a dog. It was like a crazy day, but I'm still gonna upload. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know, I don't know if this is a thing, but let me know like request videos with Red. I don't know if like dog videos are like a thing, but of course he'll be in my vlogs. Don't forget to go check out my vlog channel. I'm really gonna try hard and work on that for the upcoming summer season, if we all get summer. But welcome to the fam, Red. Check out the Instagram because I know I posted a picture with him. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.